These fish have been on the road for nearly 2 hours, packed in plastic bags with water and air, and we have no idea what condition they're in right now. Will they have survived the journey? Are they healthy? What species are we dealing with? There's only one way to find out. Let's get unboxing. Before we dive in, let me quickly tell you about these fish. They started their journey this morning in Sagana, that's in Kirinyaga County, and they've traveled 80 kilometers through Kenya to reach us here in Nairobi. During this 2-hour journey, they've been completely sealed in plastic bags with just water and oxygen keeping them alive. The transportation method is tried and tested, but there's always that moment of anxiety when you're about to open those boxes. All right, here we go. The bags are still inflated. That's our first good sign that the oxygen held up during the 80-kilometer journey. Bag number 1. Oh my goodness, look at the size of this beauty. The water is clear, which tells me the fish wasn't stressed during the trip from Sagana. And look at those colors, absolutely stunning. Now, before we can fully enjoy these beautiful fish, there's one crucial step we can't skip. You see, even though these fish survived their 80-kilometer journey from Sagana beautifully, we need to change their water completely. The transport water has been their life support for 2 hours, but it's accumulated waste products and has different parameters than our tank water. Watch as I carefully transfer each fish into fresh, properly conditioned water that matches our Nairobi tank conditions. This water change is essential. It removes any transport stress chemicals and gives them the clean, oxygen-rich environment they need to thrive in their new home. See how much more active they become in the fresh water? This step makes all the difference between surviving the journey and truly thriving after it. Just look at this collection. Every single fish survived that journey perfectly. Not one casualty, not one stressed fish. The water in every bag remained clear, the oxygen levels held up, and these fish are ready for their new homes. What an incredible unboxing experience. I honestly didn't expect every single fish to be in such perfect condition after that 80-kilometer journey from Sagana to Nairobi. If you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more fish unboxings and aquarium content, and drop a comment below. What was your favorite fish from today's unboxing?